Hi there, Matthew Armstrong here, and in this video I'm going to show you all the uses and benefits of your Kangen water machine, because what I find is that most people that buy a Kangen water machine from me don't actually use it to its fullest potential, only maybe using it for 20% of its actual potential. So the Kangen water machine has so many benefits and uses, so when you buy one from me, I let you know all about these and how to use them. So here we have our K8 machine, which is the best, you know. Why not have the best? I have the best, and this is what I recommend to everyone that buy the Kangen water machine from me. So we have two hoses here. We have a top hose and we have the bottom hose here. So it's important to understand that we have various pHs. We have 7 different pHs we can utilize at the touch of a button, just like that. It's incredible. So it's important to realize that the top hose and the bottom hose will give a different pH. It always adds up to 14, from 0 to 14. So with that understanding, if I have it on 9.5, we've got 9.5 coming out of the top hose and 4.5 coming out of the bottom hose. Adds up to 14, right? If I put it on, let's say 8.5 here, then we have 8.5 coming out of the top hose and 5.5 coming out of the bottom hose. So you can, if you're drinking the 8.5, you can collect the 5.5 in a bowl or in a container, and you can use that to put on your skin. You can use that to wash with. You can use that to clean your windows with. There's so many uses for 5.5. So let's start with the 3 Kangen waters, which are the purple ones here. The 8.5 that has the picture of a teacup on it. The 9 has a picture of a cooking pot, like a soup pot. And the 9.5 has a picture of a glass of water for drinking. So the ideal one that you want to work up to anyway is 9.5. Maybe when you first buy your machine, you start at 8.5 because it's very potent. This is active hydrogen, it's microclustered, it's a high pH, and it's going to flush your body out, right? It's going to cleanse and detox your body. So I generally recommend starting on the 8.5, drink that for a week, go to the 9, drink that for a week, go to the 9.5, and then drink that ongoing. Just build it up. Or depending on your level of health, you can do it even more staggered. So don't be confused by, okay, I must have 8.5 when I make a tea or coffee or something, or I must use 9 when I'm making food, making a soup or whatever. You can use any of them. You can use any of them. These are just sort of guidelines. I use 9.5 for my coffee. It gives you more bang for your buck for sure. So if you don't want your coffee to be too strong, then yes, use the 8.5. And I generally cook with 9.5. I generally do most things with 9.5, but of course there's these other ones as well, and you can try them and see what works best for you, because it will make your food taste much better. It makes your tea, coffee taste much better when you use these to make them. So sometimes I find people are just using the 9.5 for drinking, and then they're using regular water from their tap for making teas and cooking with them, everything. I'm like, no, you've got all this. This is amazing. So please use these 3 for cooking, for drinking, for teas and coffees, for your pets. You might want to start your pet on 8.5, your dog or your cat, and work it up as well. Many benefits for pets as well. So those are the 3 main drinking waters. Now we want to go to the 7, and the 7 is clean water. And the 7 is water that has not been changed in any way. It's only been filtered. So it's basically filtered water, but the pH hasn't been changed or anything like that. So generally that's said to be used for baby formula, for people taking medication. So if you are taking, let's say, an antibiotic or something, if you drink the 9.5, that is going to magnify the effects of the antibiotic in your body. So that's why I said, okay, take your antibiotic. Don't recommend antibiotics, by the way. Or just say your blood pressure medication or anything, then you use the pH 7 for that. And then 30 minutes later, you can drink your 9.5 again, but it's simply when swallowing the medication. But what most people find when they drink this water for a prolonged period of time is they don't need any more medications. Isn't that great? Okay, so the pH 6, this is called the beauty water. And the beauty water does what it says on the tin. It's for your skin, it's to clean your face, it will take away fine lines, it acts as an astringent, it tightens up your skin. So that is something you can wash with, you can put it on your skin, you can use it as a conditioner in your hair, and that works well for that too. Use it as a window cleaner, there's many uses for the pH 6. And down below in the description, I'm going to put a full uses for all of them so I don't miss anything, let's say. So, going on to the 2.5, very important, strong acidic water. This is such a powerful thing, and many people don't take advantage of the 2.5. So the 2.5 only works when you have the enhancer liquid in the bottom, and I'm going to show you that in a different video. So you want to have the enhancer liquid in this container in here, and that produces the 2.5 and the 11.5. So this is really important, so listen to this one. So 2.5 will come out of this tap, and 11.5 will come out of this tap, because remember, it always adds up to 14. So 2.5 out of here, 11.5 will come out of here. You'll notice there isn't an 11.5 button, but just, you got to understand that 2.5 will come out of here, 11.5 will come out of here. And I suggest running the tap, running it slightly slower, and you'll get even more potent 11.5 and 2.5 when you run the tap a little bit slower on these ones. So many benefits to this. For example, my teeth have got so strong and so white. I was rinsing my mouth with the 2.5, rinse it all out, gargle, and spit that out, and then the 11.5 afterwards, or even the 9.5, swish it round to then re-harden the enamel after that. The 2.5, it kills all bacteria, funguses, viruses, and so it's stronger than a bleach, but without any toxic side effects. So you can put it on skin conditions, you can put it on rashes, eczema, psoriasis. You can clean your toilet with it. You can clean surfaces with it. You can, with these waters, you can literally go completely green, completely eco in your home. You can get rid of all the bleaches, all the cleaners, even your washing machine. You can take a bottle of 11.5, 1 litre, put it in, and it will wash your clothes. And that brings us on to the 11.5. The 11.5 acts as a degreaser, so it will actually remove oil stains, which I've seen amazingly off white jeans and everything. Oil stains come off. It also, because it's a degreaser, it emulsifies the oil, as you may have seen in the demonstration. So if you wash your fruits and vegetables with this, it will strip off the oils on it, the pesticides, the fungicides, the herbicides that have been sprayed onto it. So it will actually remove 85 to 95% of the pesticides, herbicides, fungicides from your fruits and vegetables when you use the 11.5. So remembering, you have it on the 2.5 here, strong acidic water will come out of here, and strong alkaline water will come out of here. What I do is once a week, I will fill up a dozen or so bottles of 11.5, 6 bottles of 11.5, 6 bottles of 2.5, or maybe 5, and that will do me for the week. I store them in a dark cupboard, so no light gets to it, and then I will have that on hand throughout the week to use for washing my vegetables, for cleaning with, etc. So I'm not always having to come back, because every time you use the 2.5, the machine then has to go through a cleaning process to flush itself out. So you'll actually save more enhancer by doing that, and it's just, you've always got it on hand. So that's my top tip for the 2.5 and 11.5. A lot of people ask me, can you drink the 11.5? And the company itself, the Magic, say the 11.5 is not for drinking. But I've come across many medical doctors, naturopathic doctors that prescribe it to their clients, and have got phenomenal results. So I say the 11.5 is more of a medicine at a time when you really need that boost, when you really need a deeper detox. And I've seen this happen when I suffered from lifelong asthma, if you know my story, and I went for many years just struggling, trying every different health product, every single different supplement I could. When I started drinking this water, it after 3 weeks came off my inhalers and everything, absolutely amazing. But then I caught some virus. I was traveling. I didn't have my machine for 2 weeks. My system went down a bit. I caught some virus while traveling. A lot of stress was happening, and my chest tightened up like crazy. Drinking the 9.5, it wasn't doing it. The next thing was like, okay, get storage. Really didn't want to get storage. I said, okay, I'm going to try the 10.5 and let's see what happens. After 3 days, completely clear. It's so powerful, so powerful. So please take advantage of all of these waters. When you buy your Kangen machine, make sure you there's so many possibilities, and look in the details below. You'll see even more in the description that I'll post in that. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and if you've got any questions, also my details are below. You can WhatsApp me, ask me any questions, and I'm here to serve and support you in every way I can. Thanks for watching.